St Market is an old 1930s set of sheds which were actually used as a wholesale fruit and vegetable market. What the City Council and Wates have done is bring those back into use for the use of designer makers. Deacon Street is an old hosiery factory. What the City Council and Wates have done is to bring it back into use as creative workspace.
So there's something rather beautiful about being able to go to a space that was so important in creating and manufacturing things for the city, and to in lots of ways reimagine that factory. To be able to bring something back to part of the city that for a long time has been craving some excitement. And we really feel that what we're going to be able to do is help the community realise what a wonderful place it is to live by bringing exciting and brilliant people to work with them.
The project at Heathfield Primary was to build a new 420 primary school with a 52-place full-time equivalent nursery to expand the existing Heathfield Primary School. Nottingham City has a real problem with providing primary school places, and this new school will give the children somewhere to go. Discovery Academy in Nuneaton was formed by Warwickshire County Council, knowing there was a need for specialist provision for children with autism and or mental health issues in their lives.
The project we're delivering here at Blairby that Wates are constructing for us is a £6 million project to replace an existing depot that we have here. It will provide a new facility in a different location for our refuse and recycling service.
ERDF funding has made the conversion of Deacon Street and St Market possible. It comes with a set of constraints and a set of rules. So you need your contractor to work with you so that they understand the rules and that they can be flexible and work with those rules. And Wates have been very, very brilliant at doing that with us.
We needed to get the project up and running very quickly in order to meet our grant conditions, and Wates were able to support us by providing feasibility and proving to the people who were making decisions about budget and about risk that we could deliver the project. As things went on and things developed and tweaks were made, it was very much focused on what the children would need, and obviously that's been our whole approach. Is this right for the children? That's what we think about.
The construction process went really well. The site management team were highly motivated and highly skilled.
And I think there's a very high level of trust and transparency. Wates throughout the whole process, we've been very close to the individuals that have been delivering it, designing it, so that we know the build inside out before we actually start construction.
Yes, the level of trust was very high and transparency. It has to be in a large, complex project. You can't work without trust.
The Wates team were fantastic to work with, particularly on site. There was close monitoring of the project, close monitoring of the budget, and they worked very collaboratively with us.
Our relationship with the design team and Wates specifically has been a really productive one, and we've really felt that the team has worked creatively to find solutions.
We're absolutely over the moon, and again it feels like home. It feels like we've been here forever when we're 2 hours in at the moment.
Wates have been incredibly patient, and they were also brilliant as partners on site. So I can't recommend them highly enough for any other construction projects.
I think walking into the space for the first time will be quite an emotional moment, really. There'll be no other space like it.